Welcome to Kukulkan's gateway. This is the glyph of Ahau, the sun meditation. Ahau symbolizes illumination, clarity, truth, and awakened vision. Its energy helps you recognize what is ready to rise within you, what wants to be understood, and what is ready to become your next step forward. Before we begin, hold the image of the Ahau glyph in your mind. See its perfect circle, its radiant lines, its soft, glowing presence. Let the symbol settle gently in your awareness. Now get comfortable. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath as we begin. Take a slow, deep inhale. And exhale gently. With each breath out, feel your body soften. Let your shoulders release. Your chest loosen. Your jaw relax. Bring awareness down to the soles of your feet. Imagine roots extending from them, growing downward, reaching through the floor, moving into the earth below you. Feel the steady presence of the earth holding you, supporting you, anchoring you. With every inhale, stability rises. With every exhale, tension drains away. You are grounded. You are present. You are safe. Bring your attention back to the Ahau glyph in your mind. Its circle, its lines, its glow. Hold the image lightly, not forcing it, just allowing it to remain as an inner point of focus. As the symbol becomes clearer, you feel a gentle warmth developing behind your closed eyes. A soft, expansive energy forming within your awareness. The darkness behind your eyelids brightens slightly. And you find yourself standing at the base of a wide stone staircase, leading upward toward a temple platform. Sunlight fills the sky above you. bright, warm, alive, casting long, welcoming shadows across the steps. The air is still and calm. The world feels ancient, sacred, and awake. You begin to ascend the staircase. With each step, your body feels lighter, your mind clearer, your heart more open. As you climb, you notice faint carvings along the stone walls. The Ahau glyph repeating in intervals, each one glowing softly as you pass. Step by step, you rise toward the energy of illumination. When you reach the top, a soft breeze moves across your skin, as though welcoming you into this higher realm. You step onto the temple platform. At the center of the platform stands a round stone panel. Tall and smooth, its surface etched with the symbol of Ahau. The glyph glows softly, not bright, not forced. Just a steady, living radiance that feels ancient, wise, and aware. As you approach, you can feel the presence of the glyph resonating within you, like your inner light is responding to it. You stand before the glyph, face to face with the essence of illumination. Bring your awareness gently to the center of your forehead, your inner sight. Allow this space to soften, open, and become receptive. Take a slow inhale and imagine drawing the glow of the glyph inward. Letting it move through your mind like gentle morning light. Let Ahau illuminate the places within you that are ready to be seen. Now, silently ask, Ahau, what do you want to reveal to me? What truth is ready to come forward? What clarity do I need at this time? Allow the energy of the glyph to respond. It may show you images, memories, symbols, words, feelings, or pure knowing. Do not judge. Do not chase. Simply receive. Let the symbol speak. Let the insight rise. Let illumination find its way to you. Gently bow your head, a small gesture of gratitude for whatever guidance, clarity, or insight came through. The glyph pulses faintly, acknowledging your presence and your respect. The temple begins to soften into light around you. The staircase dissolves. And the glow fades gently back into your inner vision. Feel your awareness returning to your breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale softly. Feel your body again. Your legs, your arms, your chest, your face. When you're ready, open your eyes, bringing the clarity, truth, and illumination of Ahau back into the physical world with you.